All right, good morning, guys. And this is an update on the trades that we analyzed and we're looking to take. All right, there are only two trades I'm active on EuroCAD and I think GPUSD. Um, I think something like that. I'll go back to, but starting with EuroCAD now. So we are active on this trade. I've placed limit order. We're expecting price to come back up and continue to the downside. Now, let me explain the logic behind this trade. What do we have here? Let's try to read the market structure. Now, starting with the higher time frame, we had price. Okay, let's start with this time frame. You can see we had a shift of structure, which we took this setup in our free telegram channel, right? We had a shift of structure here, and price keeps on trading in an uptrend, forming series of high highs and higher lows. Then finally, it break it from this low, then break the final structure. Remember, I taught you guys about market structure shift. As it breaks the final structure, it snaps lower, breaking the previous higher low at this point here. But before it breaks, it actually created some form of structural liquidity, which is good. Now it break this previous higher low at this point. Now, this whole thing is occurring in a breaker block. I'll show you guys in a bit. A 4-hour time frame breaker block, which is good. So this is a valid market structure shift. Why? Because of liquidity sweep, break of structure, structural liquidity. And that's why we are taking this trade. We're expecting to take this trade at this place. So if you have to go back, you can, if you go to the 4-hour time frame, you can see that this whole setup is occurring inside this breaker block. So this is nice. Now back to the 1-hour time frame, the 2-hour time frame. I think that's the one we are using. Yeah, so we are waiting for this trade, but I want to be very careful. I don't want to start seeing new structures form, right? If I see new structure form, I will avoid this trade. Like if price comes back and retrace, forming our a new higher low and continue the trend, I'm going to delete this order because this is a missed entry. Our order is very close, very tight for us to have a precise entry, right? So this is something that I'm going to do, but I'm going to keep updating you guys. If you guys don't know, I make live trading video, live market structure analysis, and giving you guys my the trade setup I want on this YouTube channel. So that's the best way to learn to trade. If you guys want to learn how to trade, you don't need any other channel. I'm going to explain everything in this channel. Sometimes I also teach. Sometimes I also teach other concepts that's going to help you. So what you need to do is to go and subscribe to our this channel and go and follow and go and join our free telegram channel. Alright, so this is the analysis on this one trade. I don't like to complicate my trading. The analysis is simple. We traded into a a 4-hour higher time frame breaker block, which was a catalyst to the market structure shift. Then we're looking to take the market structure shift entry. So here is the market structure shift. Meanwhile, if you guys are hearing the noise, I'm sorry, I actually traveled, right? So this place I am is a noisy area. So this is where our market structure shift occurred. So this is where our market structure shift occurred, right? So it's valid as it occurred. You want to look to see if it's valid, and you can see it's swept liquidity inside a key level. Then reverse our structural liquidity, we can take it. So this is the first setup that we are looking to take. Now the next setup that we are actually active on, I think that is it GPUSD? Let's check GPUSD. Yeah, so this trade is actually on Yeah, so this trade is actually on GPUs and I'm going to try to explain it. Right. Let's start with this time frame. I think this time frame is going to make sense. What do we have here? We have price initially in a bullish order flow, right? Forming you saw I'm using my phone. Since I traveled, I don't have access to my PC. So I'm managing my phone. So we have price in an uptrend, forming series of higher highs and higher low, higher high and higher low. So price now shifted structure after it printed this place. After it printed this, what is this? After it printed this, break this structure here, we have a market structure shift and price continue to the upside to the is keep breaking more structures in the line with the trend, forming a lower high and a lower low at this point. Now let's try to zoom in more. So now what happened here? You can see that price actually tapped into this order block right here. Swap liquidity, tap into this order block. Now, this is where our break of structure occurred. So this is where our break of structure occurred. And after this our break of structure, you can see that we had um, price, sweeping liquidity, tapping into a key level. Now we have this structural liquidity at this point that is going to take out to continue to the downside. Our take profit is the external of this range. Now what I'm expecting is for price to start trading up from this place, right? Immediately. I don't want it to start, I want it to do something like this, right? I don't want it to start forming new structures. Maybe something like this forms a higher low, then a lower low, then a lower high, a lower high and a lower low. Then finally before it now comes back to mitigate this our entry. To mitigate this, I don't want something like this. I don't want something like this. I want it to start reversing instantly. Let it start reversing instantly as it is already doing and continue to the upside. So these are the two setup that I'm active on, and I will keep updating you guys on how the setup is playing out, what I'm expecting. If there's anything I don't like in the setup, I'm going to let you guys know. And if I want to delete it, I will let you guys know in the subsequent videos. And I'm also going to be analyzing more charts. So yeah, I'm going to see you guys around. Don't forget to subscribe.